Hey guys, Jason here taking a look at gold. Gold had a big red candlestick today, and I think a lot of that was due to the failure to break above 517.94, setting a lower high on the daily time frame. Having that red day, showing that inability to break those highs, really gave the bears the ability to put on an attack here, and we see the price drop pretty significantly for a daily candlestick. Big drop down. We still have 1477 as a major area of support for us on the daily time frame, so I'll be looking at the tightening range here. If bulls can defend this level, we're going to look at a possible daily equilibrium. It's a little bit loose because we do have some daily supports here that seem to be knocked out, but it's really more about this cloud of support. Something around 1477 seems to be an important level, and even though we've broken below that a couple times, it seems that we are encountering a support at that level. So that's why I'm keen to keep an eye on 1477. Big red day today. Likely we'll get a higher low over top of 1477. We'll have to watch those trend changes, look for those reversals, but that's what I would be scouting if I was looking at gold right now. A little bit of a bounce here. What can the bulls do with that bounce, and can we carve out some trend changes? That's what it's all about. So we may just crash right through 1477. Next support, 1474 and 1459. We're always looking for potentialities. And right now, the potentiality I would be looking for would be that reversal on the hourly 4-hour time frame. That would give us that little bit of a rounded bottom, or who knows what what that reversal would look like. But, you know, expecting higher lows, lower highs all the time, looking for potentialities. Daily time frame. Now for the 4-hour. Here we see that big drop. 1503 was the low. It looks like as soon as we lost that, the dams really opened and we saw the bear volume pile in, and now we are bouncing. Our RSI is oversold at 25.11. Not seeing a substantial bounce yet. Here's that 1477 level, and what we need to see is a trend change on the hourly time frame. So far, all we're seeing is a bear flag. Nice little bounce here. Likely we got oversold initially. Hourly oversold bounce into continuation. Now looking for a consolidation pattern. This is a bearish pattern. So what I would be looking for would be an execution of this pattern, a loss of 1479, which would likely have us taking a loss of our important support level 1477. If that was going to happen, then our next level on the 4-hour time frame is our next support. Bulls have the ability to negate this pattern by either setting a high above 1497 and getting into a small hourly uptrend, or simply negating the pattern by taking a bull run and getting a move toward, for example, EMA 26. That would negate that bear pattern, and it would allow them to try and establish a more aggressive higher low, higher pattern. But right now, this is a bear flag, and until bulls prove otherwise, this is a downside continuation pattern that we need to be very, very cautious of on the hourly time frame. So to reiterate, bear flag on the hourly, potential for a loss of 1477, next support 1474, 1459.